Hello, hello, hello. Freaky Friday. When you get my age, it's blood pressure Friday. We looking for some action. We looking for some street action. Whoever wants it on 28th, you can get it tonight. Trisha Wayne, her granddaughter, looking for some action. Trisha got an ugly granddaughter. Ooh, ooh. Street action tonight is going down. 28. God damn it. Anybody want it tonight on 28? I wish you would move, Norvell. You better make a scoot. You don't want none, Norvell. You think Norvell wants some? Hey, you think Norvell wants some? He don't want none, do he?
Baby?
Nah, he's scared. That's good, that's good. Somebody said it looked like you ride the little bitty bus.
This is a whole lot different than the goose.
Who wants it tonight on 28? We'll do it for 200, 100, 150. I don't bet no whole lot of money because she crazy. She took out your mama on the craziness. She got red hair. She crazy as a bat. I was drinking Dr. Tishner when I got her.
Ain't nothing like.
God demon, small block. Who drive this car?
My mom.
Your mama drive? Who drive old heavy? Who am I?
Papa.
Who drives zip tie?
Grandma T.
All right.
Grandma T.
Uh-oh, who wants some? All right, we got some for you Coyote Mustangs too. We got old Chevelle, all motor, all steel, all glass. Who want it tonight, you can get it. You heard it. Who want it, you can get it. Can't hold it down Chevelle in a 40-acre field. SF. You know what that stands for, don't you? Shit show. It ain't a Mustang. And she is a little dark, but she will race it.
Yes, I will.
Who want it? Y'all can get it tonight. Norvell, we say you scared, your feet don't match, you got lucky and got a win. We're going to make a excuse like all the other sissies do. We think you got lucky, and we think that you're going to come up with 9 million excuses, say you got athlete's foots and all that. You will not be on the street tonight. We saying you scared, sucker. Whoever want it, you can get it tonight. You know where it's going to happen at. We love y'all, suckers.